Wondering how to make the most of your time after high school? Do you like working with machines and find satisfaction in details? Are you looking for job security and room to grow? You may be ready for a career in manufacturing as an industrial machinist. Whether you start your education on the job or through a trade school, your wages will be competitive, and you can skip the jumbo student loans. As a machinist, you'll be crafting precise parts using milling machines, lathes, CNC machines, and other precision cutting tools. Every day, you'll face new challenges and feel the satisfaction of a job well done. Machinists must be precise and adaptable. They use high-powered tools to shape and smooth materials, including metal, wood, plastic, and composites. The pieces they machine can end up as a finished product or may be a component in a manufacturing process. Good machinists are highly sought after, respected, and are generally well paid.
It's creation, that we start with something and we can make anything we want out of it. And I like that, kind of like the process there, the creative process.
If you enjoy detail work and working with your hands, you can shape your future with a career as an industrial machinist. Learn more about this and other manufacturing careers at forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.